Ever wondered how to invert colors in Canva and create that cool photo negative look that instantly grabs attention? Whether you're editing photos, designing posters, or just experimenting with effects, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in. First, open your design in Canva and select the image you want to invert. On the top toolbar, click on Edit Image. This will open a panel on the left with various editing tools and effects. Now, scroll down and find the Adjust section. Inside Adjust, you'll see multiple sliders: brightness, contrast, saturation, and more. Look for the Invert toggle. Once you turn it on, Canva instantly flips all the colors in your image, giving it that striking inverted color effect. It's that simple, but here's something important. This invert option only works directly on images. If you're working with basic shapes, icons, or text, you'll need to manually create the same effect. The trick? Change each color to its opposite on the color wheel. For example, swap black with white, blue with orange, or red with cyan. You can also get creative using Canva's duotone filter. Apply duotone, then tweak the highlight and shadow colors to achieve a custom and very inverted style. Adjust the brightness and contrast sliders to refine your look. It's a great workaround when the invert tool isn't available. And that's all it takes. With just a few clicks, you can completely transform the vibe of your design using color inversion. If you found this helpful, keep experimenting with different combinations and effects. Canva has plenty of creative tools waiting to be explored. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.